And then it wasn't till probably 3 or 4 years later we went to an Anthony Robinson seminar. So I don't know if you've.
What is that? Tony Robbins?
Yeah, yeah.
Who's we?
Sorry.
Who's we? You said we went to a Tony Robbins, Anthony
So
Robbins.
all my family, mum, dad, and then my sister, me and my sister.
No shit.
Yeah, yeah, and it was I was about 15 there, and
Uh-huh.
I remember at the time that I really didn't want to go. I didn't know what it was about. My
Yeah,
sister,
fuck that guy. You're 15 years old. You should be at the beach partying. You want to go
but
see
yeah, I just wanted
Anthony Robbins? Talk to me.
I just wanted to have a weekend with my mates, and but yeah, my dad's
Yeah.
like,
Throw
I want,
rocks at cars and shit.
yeah, I wanted to go to this weekend. I think it's gonna be really good for the family. I was like, okay, yeah, fine, whatever. So we went there, and it was literally the biggest life-changing experience probably of my youth.
So he
And
just blew you away. He's amazing. He said some
oh,
shit that altered your course.
yeah, it was unbelievable. It was all about kind of motivation, nutrition, like wanting more from yourself. Yeah, it was just absolutely amazing. We learned so much from the weekend. And after that weekend, it was the first time where I wanted to get in shape and kind of live the best life I can for myself. I didn't really need anyone else to give me an external reward. I didn't need my dad to say, look, if you carry on this, I'll reward you with this. I literally just wanted to do it for myself. And we all came away as a family really wanted to learn about nutrition and just really kind of kicked us in a really good direction. And ever since then, I like fell in love with fitness and yeah, never looked back really.